to take it off and I'll show you guys. I'm going to clean it and re-oil it and put it back on. So the first thing you want to do, of course, you got a cover on the air filter. It's usually on the right side of these engines. You just want to unscrew the screw. I already loosened it up. It should just come right off. And then you want to take, there's 3 screws that holds the filter on. Already broke them loose. These can be tough to break loose, so you want to be careful not to strip them. And then, of course, the air filter comes off. This one doesn't look too bad. Alright guys, I got the warm water in the pail. It's a small pail, I don't need nothing big. And I'm using Mean Green Super Strength Cleaner and Degreaser. We're just going to put a little bit in there. That's all you need. You don't need to go crazy with it. I'll dunk it a few times, up and down, just to mix the soap up in the water. That's it, just leave it in there. I'm going to let it sit for about an hour, and then I'm going to take it into the sink and we're going to just rinse it off. Filter's been soaking for an hour, and like I said, it's not that dirty, but there is, you can see the dirt and stuff in the water. So now that it's done soaking, I'm going to go take it to the sink and go rinse it off. Right in my house. My wife's going to love this one. So I'm just going to use warm water and just, rinse it off, that's all. Rinse it out good, and you should be able to see white, the white filter media. See how that is nice and clean? See it? You see it's white? And I'm going to rinse it from the inside. So if you can see what I'm doing, you see how I'm rinsing it from the inside out. Push any dirt that's in the filter itself, the media out. And that's it. That's it. Shake it out a little bit. So a good idea is to come out and just kind of shake it like this and get as much water out of it as you can. Do it outside. Don't do it in the house. Your wife will be screaming at you. She's probably already screaming at you because you're using this sink in the bathroom to clean out an air filter for your bike. Whatever you do, clean the sink after you're done. That way you don't get as much yelling. So once you got most of the water out, we're just going to sit it on the bench. Just let it air dry. A day or 2 it should be dried. And then I'll show you how to oil it up. Alright guys, welcome back on this beautiful snowstormy day. Let the filter dry for about 5 days. I recommend when you do this, do it when you're in your off season, when you're not riding. That way you're not rushing. There is one thing I wanted to show you that I actually bought years ago. There's actually a kit, a K&N recharging kit for these filters. And all the kit consists of is the filter cleaner, which is pretty much just same thing I used over there, just some kind of soap that cleans it out. And of course your air filter oil. I'm doing this outside so I don't get oil all over the house or the garage. I'm just gonna kind of like have that facing towards me a little bit, and I'm just gonna lightly spray it. Just until it turns a little bit red. You don't want to soak it down. You just want a light coat. You'll see it turn red or a pinkish color. And that's all you want to do. You probably can't see it too good on the camera, but it'll turn a light pink color. Can you? I don't know, maybe you can see that there. I'll do the outside too, real quick coat. See how it's nice and white? You just want to turn a very light red color. You don't want to soak these filters. You just want a light coat of oil on them. And that's it. That's the oiling of the filter. So that's all there is to it. It doesn't take much oil. One of these kits will probably last you a lifetime. After you're done, you're going to take a rag and just wipe it all down. The exterior of the filter itself, not the element. Just get all that oil and stuff off of there before you put it back on the vehicle. You can just buy the K&N air filter oil separately from the kit. I didn't know any better at the time, so I bought the whole kit. That super strength green mean, whatever the hell it was called that I showed you earlier, works just as good too. So that's it. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Check out my channel. I got a bunch of different videos. I'm having a little bit of fun with this. So if you guys like it, got any questions, go ahead and put a comment down, and I'll get right back to you. Thank you. See you later.